Many people struggle with making decisions, and there's one basic reason for that. You can't make good decisions until you know why you want what you want. Now, of course, many people are familiar with the concept of finding your why, but how many people actually know how to do that effectively? There's 24 life ingredients that we're all born with access to, and yet by the time we hit school, most people have forgotten them. In order to find your why, it starts in life ingredient number 4, the natural thought process, and that shows us that everything starts with observation. So we observe the world around us, and as we observe the world around us, then we can also observe how we feel about what we're observing. Are we feeling negativity or positivity towards what we're seeing, what we're experiencing? And so as we find new observations and we find how we're feeling about them, then we come to find that we're more inspired or less inspired, and we can use the negative observations to guide us towards more positive observations. And with enough observation, then we find an unstoppable inspiration, and in effect, we've found our why. Now, once we know what we want in many areas of our life, then making decisions is a lot easier because we're no longer struggling to find our why at the same time as we're trying to make the decisions. Once we know where we're going, why we're going there, what we're doing, and why we're doing it, then when the decision comes up, then it's easy. Let's go with an example of deciding whether to have dessert. Well, if we know our why about our state of fitness, about our health, about the kind of condition we want to be in, then we'll know that, okay, the dessert is going to fit or it's not going to fit with what our plan is. But if we're kind of on the fence about whether we're going to lose some weight and maybe we should and maybe we shouldn't, and then it's going to be a lot harder to make a decision. Now that applies to every area of life. When you can find your why, then you'll find it's much easier to make any kind of decision. So if you'd like to gain some progress on that quickly, then why not try one of our coaching sessions for $100? And there's also the self-test at My Life Soup. So if you're interested in learning more about how thoughts, thinking, conscious, subconscious, and feelings all empower you to live a much stronger, more abundant physical reality, then send us a note, join one of our coaching programs. I'm John Verwey, and I look forward to meeting you.